All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in a pretty neat 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe hardtop. Nice old car. It's a California car since brand new. Actually have the original manual and the slip from the original owner, the temporary registration that came with it. It's purchased in Los Angeles. Still has its black license plates. Nice solid old car. I mean, it's finished in like this dark maroon metallic. It's not the original color, but they, somebody painted it the color they wanted to back then. But it's got a 289, originally a C-code car, been upgraded to like A-code specs, which means 4-barrel, dual exhaust. This one has an Edelbrock aluminum intake on it. It's got power disc brakes, power steering. I mean, it drives really well. Not too long ago, we put new wheels and tires on it for the previous owner. So it's got the 14-inch style steel wheels, chrome, with the BF Goodrich TA radials. Lots of receipts for little things done, new dash cluster. It's got the custom auto sound, Bluetooth stereo. Seats are in nice shape. They're pony interior. Got a little center console that they make for these, so you can put something in the middle, hold your drinks. But overall, just a really clean little car. It's got a black vinyl top on it. Got a little bubbling in the vinyl top. Kind of typical. Doesn't matter where the car's from. Water gets under there, so that's something that's going to have to be addressed in the future, but it hasn't split the top or anything yet. It's just something that needs to be done. But overall, the rest of the car is in great shape underneath. The rockers, the paint's very presentable. Nice little car, fun for cruising around. Got some guts too, not too bad. I'll go up here and take some more pictures and some more video. All right, check out this nice little 1965 Ford Mustang hardtop coupe. This is a California car. It's got the original black license plates on it. It's a 289 V8. You originally had a 2-barrel on it. Now it's got a 4-barrel with aluminum intake manifold. Little extra power, dual exhaust all the way out the back. There's those original license plates that were on there since it was brand new. Shows it's been in California since day one. Paint's nice. It's old. I sold this car to the previous owner back in 2017. He put about 3,000 miles on it, took good care of it, did some little upgrades as he had it. We put those wheels on for him. I think he put the pony interior in there, a few different things. Custom steering wheel, custom auto sound stereo. A lot of the chrome trim is in good shape. These are fun, and they're still kind of affordable. The fastbacks and the convertibles have gotten really pricey. They're getting up there, I'm telling you. Got the H4 updated headlights, so they're nice and bright. We'll take a closer look at the interior. The door panel's in pretty good shape overall. The dash, lots of new dash components there, some chrome trim there. Center console, carpets are new. A couple little spots on the seat there, not terrible. Matter of fact, I may even have those seat covers that come with it. They weren't installed yet, but the rear seat's new. Headliner's in good shape. Pretty good looking little car. Does have some bubbling here up on the roof. I mentioned that earlier in my the rest of the video. It's rusting underneath this top. Even California cars get that, when they're original vinyl tops, you get moisture under there. Something that's going to need to be done at some point to keep it inside. It'll probably last a while, but it's one of those things that might have to get fixed. But the rest of the car underneath and everything, the rockers, the lower fenders, everything looks really good. Here's the power plant, the 65 Mustang Coupe. Like I said earlier, it's a 289. It's been rebuilt with a 4-barrel intake on there, 4-barrel carburetor, power steering. It's got power disc brakes. Here's the VIN number there. Something you want to look for when you're buying Mustangs, because they get crinkled in the front, and when that goes away, not at the end of the world, just means this is a nice unhit car. So really clean looking under here, just stock looking, no chrome, just standard. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Sounds nice, the dual exhaust, some performance mufflers on there. It's also got an electric fan. A lot of people like to add electric fan. Mustangs were known for this little radiator to run warm. This one does not. It's got that good electric fan system in there. Keeps it cool, even stuck in traffic. Go around the back. I love those wheels. They look great. BF Goodrich GAs. Yeah, nice little sound. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd happy to fill you in on all our inventory as well as this car. Come by and take a look. If you need some financing, that's available. If you got good credit, we ship worldwide. We even take some trades. All right, thanks for watching.